Top 5 robot breakthroughs of January 2025. Number 1, Tesla has revealed the third generation of its humanoid robot Optimus for faster movement, improved dexterity and better AI adaptability. Musk claims it's months away from real-world deployment. Number 2, Amazon is rolling out a new AI-powered robotic arm and mobile bots across 50+ fulfillment centres, reducing human labour in high-risk areas by 30%. Number 3, Boston Dynamics has officially announced a commercial version of Atlas designed for construction and heavy lifting applications. It's stronger, more efficient and integrates with AI-powered vision systems. Number 4, John Deere, the first AI-driven tractor fleet, has begun operations, offering farmers full automation for planting to harvesting, controlled via a mobile app. And number 5, a new training centre for humanoid robots has opened in Shanghai, focusing on AI learning, mobility training and real-world task integration, a major step towards large-scale humanoid deployment. And that's the robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me on my weekly live Robot Optimise workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm Robo Phil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.